Hey curl friends, in this video today I'll be showing you guys how to do chunky finger coils on my short natural hair. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. So today I'll be showing you guys a quick tutorial on how to do these finger coils on my hair today. I won't be showing you guys a really detailed one. This is just a short quick video. Since this video is short, I'll just give you guys a quick view on the back of my hair. So we're going to start off on dry hair. My hair is pretty much dried up since I only have one section left to do. And you will start off by using and needing water, gel, a clip, and a comb. So we're going to start off by spraying that section with a lot of water, guys. You got to make sure that your hair is saturated with water so the gel can mix well with it and really stretch the hair while you're coiling it. So this is the only time that I will use a comb. I only use a comb on the sides of my hair because it's really hard for me to grip the hair and making sure that it's coiled tightly. So I will apply a lot of gel. I make sure when applying the gel that my hair is curly as well. Like, not curly, but make sure that it's curling up. That's how I know that my hair is fully coated and that I can start twisting. So this is when I'll use my comb, guys. So I comb and make sure that that section is detangled, and I'll part my hair off, making sure that the parts are nice and clean. I'll comb one more time, and then I'll just start twisting. Twist, 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 twist. Literally, all the way into the end. And then I'll just tug on the comb a little bit, and voila. So I'll just use the comb one more time, and I'll just do the same exact thing that I did before. All I'm doing is just twist, twist, twist. Twisting, twisting, twisting till you get to the end, and then just do a little pull. Boom. There you go. That was super easy, guys, right? Super, super easy. I just tug on it and play with it, and then I will just move on to the next section. And as I move towards the top of my hair, I'll only use my comb for parting. And I'll just apply gel to my hair, making sure that it's fully saturated with the gel, and then I will just coil with my fingers. It's super easy, guys. All I'm doing is just twisting it with my fingers. Twist, 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 twist. Literally, that's all I'm doing. It's so easy, guys. Like, anybody can do this. So all you're doing is twisting, and then once I want to get to the ends, I hold my hair down and just coil it, put it down, just lay it down and move on to the next one. It literally just locks on its own, and all you gotta do is just twist and move on. I don't even use the comb for parting, like on that, like I don't use the comb for parting the finger coils. I just use it for my sections, if that makes sense. It makes sense, guys, right? Right. So all I'm doing is literally just coiling. Yes. So I told y'all this video was going to be a quick one. This was a quick speeded up tutorial. So I'm at the top of my hair, and all I'm doing is just applying the gel. This is just a little bit more detailed than the other sections, because the top of my hair is really thick, and I have to make sure that I get it nice and detangled so the coils will last. And all I'm doing is just twisting. I'm just combing through, making sure that my roots are as smooth as possible. You won't actually see me combing through, but I did comb through. And all I'm doing is just coiling. So we are finally on the last coil, and the front of my hair on the ends is very, I'm not gonna say it's like heat damage, but the curls are super loose, and that's why you see me tweaking with it, trying to get that right. But we are finished up, guys. The dry results are not white, and I'll show you guys the dry results in a few. This is the end result though, guys. They're super cute. And this is the final result. So these finger coils will actually last me about a week. They will start to get loose at the root and start to get puffy and start to really look like dreads, and that's when I really like them the most. But if I spray them with water and a little bit of oil, they will start to hang back down and look a little bit cuter. But I like when they actually get rough. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to see a more detailed tutorial, let me know in the comment section below. Look at me, I'm so feeling myself. All right, well, curl friends, I'll see you guys later in the next video.